Good morning, beauty babes. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day, and a new day means a new video. So guys, in today's video I am going to review the wet palette, and it is from the collaboration with Colourpop and BRETMAN. And I've been wanting this palette since I got the lip one. Actually, I want the whole collection, but you know, you gotta go slow and then one by one or two. But anyway, y'all, I reviewed this palette and I created this look with it, and I am really loving this look. I feel like so grown up. Like, if you guys will create this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will have it all linked down below. Stalk me, you know, like text me. I do have a giveaway I have 2 giveaways going on my Instagram, so go check them out, y'all. Yeah, that's it. So let's just get into the video. Like, why do I keep talking? So let's go. So guys, this is the palette. It is so freaking pretty. And this is some of the swatches. I am loving it. I cannot wait to dig into this palette. Look at it, guys. So pretty. Okay, y'all, let's just jump right into it. Okay, you did not see that, so let's just jump right into that video. I'm gonna go with Skinny Legend with this. I can't speak today, which is this light-ish brownish color. I'm gonna use it as a base and put it all over the eyelid. I'm baking my eyebrows. Don't judge. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go with this Glamour Dolls brush, and it is a fluffy brush. I'm in love with this brush, so yeah. And I'm gonna go with the darker brown, which is a Wabich. I think that's how you pronounce it, a Wabich. And I'm gonna put it right on the crease. I mean, out the eyes, and then bring it in, like bring the leftovers. Okay, I cannot explain this, so I'm gonna do it again. I'm starting from the outside of the eyes because I want that part to be darker, and then I'm bringing the remaining inside, and then blend in a circular motion and big circular motion, not small. Okay, this palette is like, I think this palette is better than Lit because it's really smooth and it is blending out really well, and there isn't like a lot of fallout in it. This is really gorgeous. Yes, guys, to get the black, we are going with the Doll 10 palette, and I am loving this palette, but like I kind of accidentally broke it. I'm gonna go with black, guys. This black right here, it's very pigmented and creamy, so I'm gonna try and go light with it and put it right on the outside, and then blend it really small circles. And to cut the crease, I am using the Milani Cream to Powder makeup. It's really good. I don't know, it's really good. It got the job done, so it's good in my opinion. I don't know if I like should cut the crease. Okay, I'm gonna cut the crease and then set it with powder. So let's do this. I'm gonna go with my banana setting powder to set it. Ooh, just got everywhere. So we're gonna go back with the Colourpop Bret X Colourpop. Okay, like I don't know why I try to say his name. BRETMAN X Colourpop. Yeah. And we're going to go with thickness. And we're gonna put it right here. Oh my god, sister! Sis, what you doing? Like, are you doing this to me? Guys, okay, if you haven't gotten this palette, literally go get it. Like, I got it really cheap because I had a code and it took like $5 off. Literally, I was like, thank you, thank you. If you guys want to know who gave me the code, I will link her Instagram down below, and you guys can go say hi. She is really sweet, and you can use the code for $5 off. $5 really a lot, y'all. It's really a lot. Now I'm gonna go with Mood. Yes. Like, do I look like a bad bitch or not? Like, every time I'm doing my makeup, I don't really feel like a bad bitch. It's like, what you doing? Like, you're not bad. Anyway, now I'm gonna go with LOL. I'm crying. Okay, those names are like popping. I literally went ahead and add white eyeshadow to this, and I think it looks okay. So now I am gonna go back. I'm gonna go back to the palette, and I'm going to go back with a bitch with like a really small, and I put it right under the eye. Gorgeous. Okay, y'all. So this is the eyes. I like it. Kind of. I don't know. I think like once I do both eyes, I'll love it more. So I'm gonna go into that off camera, and I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay, y'all. This is the eyes. It's looking pretty good. Pretty good. So let's move on to the face. I already moisturized because I always do that. Why? I have no idea. It's just a habit. And I'm gonna go with my BH Cosmetic number 6. I love this brush. I'm just gonna put a little bit. Because like I do not want a lot of foundation on my face. I don't know why. I have not been putting a lot of foundation lately because I want like my like natural skin. Like I want my face to look natural. So yeah. What I have been putting a lot of is concealer because I don't know, but for some reason I have not been sleeping, and like I have been putting a lot of concealer to hide those unwanted circles. There you go. I pull out my nose ring. Oh my god, this was the most painful shit I've ever experienced in my life. Like when I was getting it, it did not hurt, but I actually pulled that shit out, and like it's not fully healed yet. At least like not it was not healed on the inside, and I pulled that shit out by accident because my nails are like really long. And I was just washing my face, and the next thing I know is I was screaming because this shit hurts, you know. And now it's like it's fucked up, and like I don't know. I think I have to like I have to keep cleaning it, and it hurts sometimes too, like every time I yawn or something like that. But like I'm trying to see what the hell is going on, like what is happening, you know. Like I just wanted to share that with y'all. And like I do not want anything to happen to my nose, because like I need my nose, you know. And like if I have to take the nose ring out, I will, and I'll just get it like once it's healed, because I don't know, it keep hurting, and I do not appreciate pain at all. Like if something is hurting me, I'll just like bye bye. Oh yes, popping. Okay, let's move on to highlight, and I'm using the Clothe Free Classic Glow from Rule 21. It is so gorgeous. And I'm using the color Sun Kiss. God. Kisses Glow. Flip my hair. Too bad my hair's not down. I'll flip my hair on y'all. Bitch! What is going on? Who are you? I don't know. So I'm gonna blend this out. I'll be right back. Did you like it? Did you like it? Like it? Like it? So are you guys loving this look or not? Because literally it took me, what time is it? It took me 2 hours. Don't forget, if you recreate this look, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram will be down below. And guys, like, go enter my giveaway. It's free. It's free makeup, free money. So why not? What do I do? Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beauty babes.